In this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Settings and there get into Notifications. Now here scroll down all the way until you find WhatsApp there, and here make sure that notifications enabled on your device, and also you have to go into Show Previews and set this option to when unlocked or always. Now then go back to Settings, hit on General. Next, tap at Background App Refresh, and there will be the list of all your applications, and there you have to scroll down and find WhatsApp, and there make sure that this feature is enabled. So now that's how you can fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.